In today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to change username on Twitter, which is the section with the special character at. Okay, if it is not organized in your eyes, with this tutorial, you are going to organize it and set it the way you want it so that it will look appealing, okay, as a Twitter handle name. All right, so let's get started. Open the browser in your computer because we need to do this with our PC, okay, and not with your mobile. As your browser opens, visit twitter.com and log in. As you log in, this is the interface you will see. So click on More. From the options, select Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. This will open some options for you, okay? So click the section Account Information. Okay, you are required to log in with your password before you proceed further. So do so. Alright, this is the next page you'll be taken to once you log in successfully. So click on username. Under username, you can see the username here, but I don't want that. I want something that is more organized. So I will change it. From the first username I entered, Twitter is telling me that the username has been taken. So I have to keep trying until I get the one that is free. Okay, the name Tech Godwin Tech is free. So that is okay. So I'll click on save. This is the next page you will see. Just click on authenticate. Then answer this proxy, okay? So I'll click on this and it says done. And here we are good to go. You can see the username has been changed to Tech Godwin Tech. Alright? So if somebody wants to connect with me on Twitter right now, you gotta search for at Tech Godwin Tech. I hope this helps.
If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.